How to rename Bluetooth devices in Windows 11. Today we're looking at a task that seems simple but can make a big difference in IT environments. Renaming Bluetooth devices in Windows 10 or 11. This helps avoid confusion, standardize naming across multiple devices, and simplify troubleshooting. In this walkthrough, we'll cover 4 methods for renaming Bluetooth devices on your system, using Settings, Device Manager, Registry Edits, and PowerShell. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to rename Bluetooth devices in Windows. Before beginning any of the methods below, make sure that your device is paired, you have administrator rights, you have Bluetooth enabled on your device, you can quickly rename Bluetooth devices through the Settings app. Press Window+I, then go to Bluetooth and Devices. Find your device, click the 3-dot menu, select Rename, and then enter a new name. For a deeper look into device properties, you can try Device Manager. Press Windows key plus X and open Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section. Right-click your device and select Properties. Go to the Details tab and choose Friendly Name from the dropdown. Now, here's the catch. In most cases, the name isn't editable here. If that happens, you'll need to move to the registry editor for a persistent rename. As a word of warning, editing the registry incorrectly can cause system issues. Always create a restore point before trying this method. The registry editor is the best way to make a rename stick permanently, even after reboots or cross-user sessions. It works because Windows stores device information, including Bluetooth names, directly in the registry. For the exact path and detailed steps, check out our full blog linked in the description below. PowerShell can't rename Bluetooth devices directly, but it's great for identifying devices before making registry edits. Simply run get-pnp device-class Bluetooth to see all Bluetooth devices. This helps you script registry edits or verify paired devices in bulk. Before the video ends, here are a few final reminders. Some devices may reset to default names. Names may not persist across roaming profiles unless modified in HKLM. Repairing or driver updates can revert names. Registry-based renames can be deployed via MDM tools like Intune for enterprise environments. And that's how you rename Bluetooth devices in Windows. Start with the Settings app for quick changes, but if you need persistence across sessions or enterprise management, the registry method is your best bet. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to rename Bluetooth devices in Windows 11, linked in the description below.